Okay, in this video we're having a look at scale factor and similar figures. Now, similar figures have the same shape but are different sizes, so we're concerned with the proportion that the sides are in, and also we look at angles that are in the shape. So in this case we've got a smaller version and a larger version. Now when we look at scale factor, we're usually going from the original to the image. But I also like to tell my students, if they find the scale factor a little bit tricky, always just think about going small to big. And then whenever they're doing the calculations, they can always just adjust them for small to big with that scenario. If for some reason you were asked for the specific scale factor going from a bigger to a smaller one, then make sure you do the smaller number divided by the bigger number. So in this case, we are going from a smaller shape to a bigger shape. So our scale factor is going to be our 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So each of those sides has been scaled up or multiplied by 2 to get the new length. In this one down here, what we need to first work out is what the scale factor is and then apply it. Generally, this type of question, you'll be told that it's a similar triangle, and you'll then be asked to work out the missing sides. So in this case, we have these two that are a matching set of measurements that are on both shapes. If we looked at the other sides, here we've got a 5 and an x. We don't know the value of that, so we can't use that for a scale factor. And I forgot to write in my y. Here we've got a 12 and a y, so we can't use that as well. So here is our set that we can use. So our scale factor will be 4.5 over 3. We grab our calculator and do 4.5 divided by 3, and we get 1.5 as our scale factor. That means if we're going from the smaller triangle to the bigger triangle, we will multiply by 1.5. So to get our x value, it's going to equal 1.5 times the 5, which gives us 7.5. Then if we're going back the other way, we're not going to be multiplying. Because we're going back the other way, we are going to be dividing. So going from the bigger triangle to the smaller triangle, we're going to divide by 1.5. So if we get our 12 and divide by 1.5, we will get 8. So our y is equal to 8. In the next video, I'm going to look at how we can prove similar triangles.